Hello, my friends. It's been a little while. I traded a. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm sorry. I'm a little freaking out right now. I'll show you why here in a second. I had a box of 2019 uncirculated cents and took it to the bank and exchanged it. 3 of the rolls had wheat enders. One was a 1916. And there's a 52, and I don't know yet. So I opened the 16 first, so it was the only one in that one. Roll number 2 had no enders. It was 2020s on the end, and pulled those 3 and this. It says BDB. It's got some paint on it or something. And that doesn't look like any S I've ever seen, but I'll take the standard 1909 VDB any day. That is amazing. That's not actually corrosion, this stuff here. It's paint or something. It's some outside disturbance. But I guess I'm going to be making a video. I'll see you guys back soon. Roll number 4. We got a 42 and a 46 out of Philly. See you shortly. Decided to save the last 2 ender rolls for the last 2 I'll do. And roll number 6. 1928. Let's keep a mold like that one. Roll number 8. Got a 13, a 16, and a 44. This is an awesome box. Let's go find some more. Roll number 15. Got a 1939 out of Philly. And a 1917D. Need that one for the book. That's cool too. So far we've gotten 159D, 2 Canadians, 2 2009s. Bring back in soon. Roll number 20. Got a 1927. I'm loving these old ones. Hopefully we got a bunch more. Let's keep going. Roll number 22. Got a 58D. Got a first year wheat cent and a last year wheat cent. See if we can collect them all. See you soon. Roll number 23. We got a 58 and a 15. Makes 5 over 100-year-old cents. That is awesome. Less than halfway through the box. Let's go for 10. See you shortly. Roll number 24. We got a beat up 1941. Let's go find some more. Roll number 26. Got a 55 out of Philly. Board's getting big. Love it. Roll number 29. Got a 45 and another 58D. See if we can find a couple more old ones. See you back in a second. Roll number 30. Got another 27. Add that to the board and keep going. Roll number 33. Another 37, another 39, and another 58D. See you on the next one. Roll number 34. Got a 40 out of San Francisco. It's a new one to the board. Let's keep going. Box went dry for a second there. Roll number 41. Had an 18. It was an amazing roll. Had an 18. An 18. A 19. a 28 from Denver. And a 46. What a killer roll. Let's go find some more. Roll number 43. Number 1927, number 3. This is crazy. Let's go find some more goodies. Roll 44 brought us a 55D. Add to the board and keep going. Roll number 45 brings us a 39 and a 41 out of Philly. 5 more. We need to get 2 more 100-year-old coins would be crazy. I'm not complaining by any means. That's a good looking board. That's a darn good looking board. See you soon. Roll number 46. We got a 45 and a 39. This is craziness. Roll number 48. We got a 41 and a 42. It's hard to see the 42. Gotta do some scoping on that one. It's pretty chewed up anyways. Let's get to the last ender rolls. Got a 52, I believe, and not sure what that one is. Doesn't look too old though. But let's see what we find. The 52 roll had a 41 buddy. Let's get into this last roll. See if we can find some friends. The reverse ender was another 37. Let me get these things organized and we'll do a little wrap up. Alrighty, here we go with the wrap up. We had 5 2009s. We had 5 59s. We had 6 foreigns, 5 Canadians, 1 from the Bahamas. We had 7 in the teens, 5 in the 20s, 8 in the 30s, 15 in the 40s, and 7 in the 50s. The best thing, that guy right there. That was amazing. Got some goo on it. But it still has that. The old VDB. That is amazing. That's absolutely outrageous. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining me. As always, I appreciate it. Keep hunting out there. Most of this box was 2019 and 2020 cents. So somebody dumped recently, and it's awesome. Peace.